All right, HVAC people, so we got a unit here. Said making a loud noise on the outside. The upstairs is cooling, but the downstairs is not cooling. I peeked my head over inside the condenser section. I don't really hear no loud noise, so I'm gonna go troubleshoot, try to find out what's going on. I stick my hand over the condenser section, and it seemed like it's blowing cool air on a bigger unit, which in these style houses we got more square footage downstairs, so it usually be the bigger unit that serves downstairs, and that's the one that's not cooling. But like this one right here, it's blowing warm air. She said they did some work with this one. She said loud, but that's kind of normal, especially by that being a generic fan. That's not the original fan. That one is the original fan, but it's blowing, that's cool air blowing. So leave in the comment section, why would it be blowing cool air? What could it be if it's blowing cool air? When I say cool air, I mean ambient. So let's just say it's, let that stabilize for a minute. So when I say cool air, I like to do a differential right here. Whatever is blowing in here, that's what's blowing out on top. Y'all let me know. Take a look at them wire nuts. Like some dogs been going on the wire nuts and stuff. I got 83 going in. It's pretty much just 80 and 80. That means it's not removing heat. If you look at this one right here, you can tell this one blowing warm air. That one over there should be doing the same. This is the upstairs. This is a smaller unit right here. As you can see, it's blowing. I ain't gonna hold it too long, but like I say, it's 80 degrees outside. It's already a 15 degree split right there. That's 15 degrees. So it's blowing about 15 degrees. So we'll be getting about 80 down here. So something definitely going on with this. I'm gonna take a look at them wire nuts. Almost look like bite marks when I knocked on the door. The door barking, and you can see, I like the feel. I don't really feel any refrigerant moving. You can see on this one right here how it's condensate. I bet you any kind of money a dog probably came and just ripped all that out, ripped that armor flex off. He finna start biting on this right here. I'm just need to get some type of cage or something to block that dog. But let's open it up. Leave in the comment section what's going on. We can get our gauge to check pressure, but it seems like we don't have a compressor running. So let's open it up. And we know it's calling for cool because we do got a condenser fan. Unless it was wired wrong. So I don't think anything going on with that wire, even though it's kind of chewed up. We can check a cap. And I really don't think it's overheated because sometimes the compressor was real hot. That fan you can still kind of feel the warm air from the compressor from that fan. So I'm gonna kill power and check the before I get too far into it, I do want to see if I do got some refrigerant in here. You see my amps, I got 1.4. That just let me know compressor is not running. The only thing running is that condenser unit. Like I said, I hate to start troubleshooting all the electrical. We ain't got no refrigerant here. I can tell there's a lot of pressure on there. I got a leak right here. Hope it don't blow out on. See that leak? That's definitely a leak right there. So we do got refrigerant, so yeah, we got refrigerant there. So even though it's leaking right there, I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but I'm gonna kill power. That should not. So even though it's leaking, I got refrigerant in there, so we gotta fix that leak. Try to tighten it up. It was. Let me draw out of some. So I'm gonna start off just checking the compressor. I mean the capacitor. Want something to double check my voltage to make sure I ain't got no voltage. It did turn off. Zero, 0. Alright, let's discharge this cap right here. So on this capacitor, I got Herm, I got fan, and I got since the Herm wasn't working, I'm gonna start out by checking that one first. Put my meter on microfarad. Check, see what we got. This is 50. I don't think it's gonna be no bad compressor, I'll be honest with you. I mean, capacitor. That's 50. I think that's 50. Yeah, that's 50 right there. So that should be enough to start the compressor. So that's 50. Alright. And that's a 50. That's a 50 cap. That's a 50 cap. It's a 50 by 5 cap. Alright. Put that on now. Let me take a picture real quick of me checking this cap. Let them know that's good. Alright. Alrighty. So I can tell somebody been in here. Around look like just water down there. She said that motor making a loud noise. I might get my gauges. Should we try a hard start kit? I'm looking, that screw there. Boy, I think I want to take this top off. Dang, gotta take this old Goodman top off, folks. I wanted that compressor hot. Instead of that fan making a loud noise. But when I got here, it really wasn't making a loud noise. And this unit got a high-end low pressure switch on here. But I know know it's not up on high and low pressure because high and low pressure kill my 24 volts. So it's not that. I don't see if this top of this compressor hot. So you might try a hard start kit. It was making noise. I wonder why they put this screw right here. It won't come out. But they put that in there, try to quiet down. So. This compressor is cool to the touch. I'm gonna try a hard start kit. Yeah, so I'm feeling this compressor, and this compressor is very hot. Okay. So I'm wondering if the fan don't really feel too bad. But I'm wondering if I might just leave it off tonight and come back tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and just cool it down. But this, I will show you my thermal imaging camera, but this compressor gonna be off on internal overload. Alright, I was gonna come back tomorrow or in the morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to cool this compressor down here. Let's see what it'll do. I wanted that, I think even that cap, let's see what the cap rated on this fan motor. They got a 5 on there, yeah. So they got a 5 on there, but can't do this with one hand. What Matt Crowd gave me a magnet I need to put on that compressor. But yeah, this that motor, the cap is on there supposed to be a 7.5. 7.5 cap. They say UF 7.5, but they got a 50x5 capacitor. And we go by percentage. That's kind of, that might be a lot for a fan motor. So I wonder if that fan's shutting off every now and then or something. And then the thing starts screaming. I'm trying to cool it down a little bit. got here is a lot of water in here already. I'm wondering where that water come from. I don't think it's freezing up. I'm gonna do this probably another 2 or 3 minutes. Should be cool enough. Enough for a fact it need a capacitor. That's the wrong side. So I might just get a 7.5 and scrap on there. And get down there and try to look. See what size cap the compressor need. Compressor cool now. I'm gonna put that jacket back on there. So I'm gonna leave that jacket off. Jacket or blanket. This should be good. I'm gonna clean the coil a little bit. Got that much pressure, boy. Yeah, so if the compressor was cold, I probably would have tried a hard start kit, but since that compressor hot, I know it's been running or tried to run. See what the amp is on that. I think we're getting 1.4 on that condenser fan. Rated for 2.4. So the cord don't look too bad. It's a little dirty around here. We're gonna go ahead and hit it so we can do process of elimination. We can definitely make sure a dirty cord not causing this. Got a lot of pressure. Alright, try to put this top back on. Like I said, I ain't gonna worry about that blanket. We don't need it. You don't get that cold down here. Like I say, this thing here don't look too bad. I'll show y'all the specs though. Alright, as you can see, you got 7.5 capacitor, 2.4 amps. See, it look kind of rusty, but it didn't really sound too bad. But like I say,
doing too bad.
Go ahead and put these back in here. Go run and get my gauges. I'm gonna get a 7.5 cap. So I'm gonna use a 7.5 cap. Like I said, I'm just gonna put this brown and white and that brown on there, and that brown and white, just continuation of that comment right there. So they got that purple and that comment. Okay. Let's see what they did. So they probably didn't have a terminal, so they just wire nutted in there. Ain't too much wrong with that, I guess. Put me one about right here. Shouldn't be nothing back yet. I want to double check. All right. All right. Same thing on this side. There's that. So now, like I said, we're gonna put brown and white. Go. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna get my gauge real quick. I'm gonna fire it up. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. Alright, so I got my gauges here. My camera dead on my other phone, so I might not be able to finish this up. This phone here going dead too, but I got equalized pressure. Let's just see what it do real quick. Let's just see what it do, see if it turn on or something. I'm gonna check the amps. All right. We can hear that compressor. That compressor not turning on. If it is, it's quiet. Nah. Compressor is not turning on. Man, I wish I would have got the nameplate. 1.25. The compressor shot. Yep. No good. Yeah. Let me see, man. I'm gonna go ahead and try a hard start kit right quick, but I know that compressor cool now, so I'm gonna run to get a hard start kit. So I'm just gonna hang this. Hard start kit just to try it, and if it turn on, we'll run it. Discharge that cap. So this is gonna go up to this common red right here. And yellow kind of wire goes to my hermetic side of this cap. Alright. And then the black go to the other side of the contact. Like I said, I'm just gonna hang it. Got some zip ties in here. Gonna see if it's gonna kick on. Alright, let's make sure it's not touching. Make sure that's not touching anything. Let's see what it do. Started it. See if the pressure's gonna go up though, 68. It'll be low on refrigerant or something. Yeah, man, so this thing probably got multiple problems, so. Oh, man. You see my refrigerant pressure? Sometimes let it run for a while, let it go up. Look at them amps on that compressor. I'm gonna turn it off. Look at the amp. That compressor ain't no good. See, compressor no bueno. So I'm gonna get the model serial number stuff out this compressor, and yeah, it need a compressor. I'm gonna go take a look on the inside of it. Oh man, I haven't even been in the attic yet. But it's a Goodman. I'm sure it got a fixed orifice in there, but it could be definitely need a compressor. So much for that. Alright folks, I'm gonna get up out of here though. I'm gonna get the model serial number off this. I'm gonna write up the compressor. It shouldn't have got that loud even at 70 psi on that suction. The equalizing at 240. Might be a TAV in there though, 177 over 204. Not equalizing yet. I do want to peek up here. Make sure ain't nothing going on. Lady came outside, but I got the model serial number out that compressor, but might well just replace the whole condenser unit. Alright. I wrapped this enough. I did take the top back off. I really probably ain't worried about putting those screws back on, but I'm gonna give my option to replace the compressor. Unit don't look too bad. Motor been changed out, but I'd rather just, that's 410A. We can still get 410A condensers. Put a new condenser up in there. All right. Edit this video because I use two phones depending on how much time I got. But on this phone right here, I did not get where I had installed a hard start kit. And the hard start kit did fire up the compressor, but after a while it started getting real loud. My amp started going way up, so I just hurry up and shut it off and condemn the compressor.